Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
In this particular video, I'm going to show you a very powerful end of year bath that is going to help you to cleanse yourself from all negative energies before you enter the 2026, so that things will go very well for you in the 2026. So if you are said that maybe 2025 was very bad year, you are going to cleanse yourself from all those negative energies, things that followed you and then made things very difficult for you. All those things, you are going to cleanse yourself from it. So for this particular direction, you are just going to use only 2 items. Then you are going to bath with it. You are going to pray, and then you are going to say your intentions. You are going to say that God should use it to cleanse you from all those negative energies that is following you, and it is making sure that the year was not your year. Things were very hard for you and those things. So for this particular direction, it is also going to help you to ensure that anything that anybody has planned against you in the 2026 will not work. So this is a very powerful spiritual direction. So please can ensure that you get the items and then use it. So for this particular direction, you are just going to use only sand, and then you're also going to use sea salt. If you also have further water, you can add, but that one is optional. So for this particular direction, all that you are supposed to do is that you are just going to get a handful of the sand. So the sand can be the sand from anywhere. Just go and take a handful of the sand, and then also you are going to measure out just a tablespoon of the sea salt. So the sea salt is very common in this part. On this particular channel, I've talked about sea salt, so a lot of you know the sea salt. Please, if you do not also know the sea salt, just go to the market, and then they tell the market, the woman, that you need the sea salt. So after getting the sea salt, all that you are supposed to do is that you just have to pour the handful of the sand into a small container or a bucket. And then you're also going to add uh, the sea salt to it. You are just going to use a tablespoon of the sea salt. You are just going to pour it into it, and then you are going to add some little water to it, and then use your hand to mash it very well so that the sea salt dissolves. After it has dissolved and then mixed with the sand, you are just going to apply this on your body. So you are after applying this on your body, you are just going to allow it to dry. Please, as I said, if you have further water, you can add little to it, and then you mix it very well. So after mixing, you apply this on your body, and then you allow it to dry. After drying, you now get clean water, and then that clean water, you are also going to add some small sea salt to it. So the sea salt that you are going to add can be any quantity, like maybe the tablespoon that you use for the same tablespoon of the sea salt. And then also you are going to add a little further water if you have, but the further water is optional. If you do not have, you can still do this particular direction, because this direction is very important. So please kindly ensure that even if you do not have the further water, you can still do it with the sea salt, and then you are going to use this water to cleanse your body. But please, before you do this particular direction, whilst you are mixing the sand and then the sea salt, be praying, be telling God that you are used he should use this medium to cleanse you from all negative energies, all those things that followed you, all those curses, all those things that people did against you, and then it made things very difficult for you. He should use it to cleanse you. And then also, if maybe in 2025 you are eating something that is making sure that you do not see prosperity in 2026, he should use it to cleanse you from all those things. Anything that thing you have that has entered you through sex or through food that you have consumed, anything that you have entered your body through dream or anything physical, whatever, all those things should be cleansed from your body. You are telling God that he should use it to cleanse you from all those negativity, and then also all those things should go back to the sand, all those things to go back to the sea. So that is why you are using the sea salt, and then you are also using the sand. So if you do this and then you cleanse your body, all those negativity will go back to the sun, and then it will also go back to the sea, and all those things. You see that when every water that you bath or every water that you use, it will go back to the sea. So if you use it to bath, it is going to cleanse you from all those negativity, and then all those things are going back to the sea, and then it is going back to the sun, and then all those things that were following you, that were making sure that things were very difficult for you, all those things will leave your life alone. So please kindly ensure that you pray effectively, and then whilst doing this, you tell God that he should use it to cleanse you from all those negativity. He should ensure that those things that are working against you should go back to their senders, and then you should be very clean, and then you should be successful in the year. Please, for this particular direction, even if you see it in 2026 in January, kindly ensure that you do this particular direction. no matter the time, the day that you see this particular direction, kindly ensure that you do it. It's a very powerful cleansing. If maybe you have visited the village or you have visited somewhere during this festive occasion, and then maybe you have consumed something or you have done something or anything at all, maybe if you have sex with somebody, and then those things are going to follow you to ensure that everything that you touch in the year is not going to help you, or it is not going to work for you. Can you ensure that you do this? Or if somebody has said something against you, can you ensure that you do this particular direction, and then it is going to cleanse you? Maybe somebody brought you some item during the Christmas, like somebody brought you a food, somebody brought you anything, and then it is going to work against you in 2026. Can you ensure that you do this particular bath? Please, this is only a bath you are going to do for only one day. Just do it. Even if you have children, you can do it for them, and it is going to cleanse them from all negativity. If somebody has done something against them, or somebody has said something that is going to work against them, kindly ensure that you do this particular bath, and it is going to work effectively for you. So please, this is a very, very, very powerful spiritual direction. Kindly ensure that you do it, and then you bring your testimony. You can do it any day, anytime. But please, as I said, if you're a woman in your menstruation, kindly ensure that you do not do this particular direction. Kindly ensure that you wait for the menstruation to finish before you do this, and then it is going to still work for you. So please, kindly ensure that you do this bath, and then you pray effectively whilst doing it. You'll be telling God that you use it to cleanse you from all negativity. But please, kindly ensure that you do this particular bath before your normal bath. So the moment you do this, then you do your normal bath. So please, for this one, you're not going to do it with soap and spoon. And you just apply the sand and then the sea salt to your body, and then use the clean water to cleanse your entire body. And then you can allow the water to dry on you, or you can use even towel to cleanse you. And then after the bath, then you do your normal bath with soap and spoon. Please, can you ensure that you finish with this direction before you take soap and sponge and then you use it, and then it is going to cleanse you from all those curses, all those satanic negative energy, and all those things that is going to ensure that the 2026 will not work for you. So please, can you ensure that you subscribe to the channel, and then for this particular year, I'm going to 2026 and beyond, I'm going to bring you very powerful spiritual directions that is going to help you. So please, can you ensure that you subscribe to the channel, you share the video to your family and friends, and then they all do this particular powerful bath. Thank you very much for watching this video. As I said, in the next videos, I'll bring a lot of things that will benefit you. So please, can you ensure that you subscribe to the channel, and then you share to benefit other people. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.